Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to upload straight to Instagram from your MacBook without having to use your phone. If you use Instagram the way I do, I generally like to take my images with a proper camera. So I'm using this here, which is a Fuji X Pro 2. And when I take a photograph on this, it ends up on one of these, a little memory card. Now, generally the way Instagram works is they want your photographs to upload from your phone. That's a bit of a hassle for me sometimes, because once I've edited my photograph in Lightroom, I then want to just be able to upload it straight to Instagram. Now, I know that there are programs out there that can do this, but there's an easy way. I'm going to show you now how I do it straight from Safari. Okay, so we'll jump into my laptop and I'll show you exactly how to do that, and it only takes a few minutes. Okay, so this short tutorial is for Mac users only. I'm pretty sure you could do this on a PC, but as I have no idea about PCs, I couldn't say for sure. So this is for Mac users, and we're using Safari browser to do this. So this is the picture here that I want to get into my Instagram account. If I just bring up my Safari and log into Instagram. So here's my Instagram account. For some reason it keeps on bringing up this failed to load notification on the bottom, but it is loading, so I don't know why it's doing that. It's not worrying me, so we'll just ignore that. So what we need to do is to get this photo from the desktop loaded into Instagram. We need to go to the develop module along the top here. So you click develop, user agent, and then what this allows us to do is see our screen as a mobile device. So what I'm going to do is just go to Safari iPhone, click that. It's now showing as a mobile device. So as you can see, what's happened down the bottom here, we now have the plus button, which allows you to upload your photograph. So we'll go through that. If I click there, find the photograph we want, which is this one, 2000. Choose. It's uploaded there. Click next. Write your caption. I'm just going to say yay 2000 followers. Thanks everyone for the support. Then I'm just going to find some hashtags. Click on here. Where are my hashtags? 1% hashtags. Let's just use these ones. Copy them. Come on. Copy them. And I'm just going to paste them in. So I now have my hashtags in there. And that's it. Click share. So that's now shared into Instagram. If I go back up here and click user agent and go back to default, it then takes you back to your ordinary screen. And as you can see, my image is uploaded there with everything in place. It's perfect. Okay, that's it, done. So I hope you've enjoyed that quick and easy way to upload to Instagram without having to go through the process of taking an image off your desktop and loading it into your phone first before you can upload it to Instagram. It's just a very small time saver, but so easy to do, it's worth doing. Anyway, that's it for today. Thanks, guys. We'll see you next time.